Hi, I'm Henry, founder of Clipto. Today, creating media is easier than ever, but actually working without the data is still painfully tedious. We all know this feeling. You know the exact shot exists somewhere in your archive, but finding it means scrubbing through hours of footage repeatedly. Late nights, endless timelines, rewatching clips you've already seen 10 times. There are some AI tools out there, but most of them are cloud-based. That sounds convenient at first, but once you are dealing with terabytes of video and audio, things break down quickly. Uploading takes forever, cloud costs pile up, and your media leaves your control. At the same time, our computers have quietly become incredibly powerful. So we asked a simple question: what if your own computer could actually understand your media locally? That's why we built Clipto. Think Google Photos, but built for terabytes of video and audio on your own computer. Just install Clipto and add your files. Clipto watches, listens, and understands what's inside your media, automatically turning messy media into searchable local memory. When you need a specific moment for your project, just describe it in plain English. Clipto instantly finds the exact moment you are looking for. The wide drone shot where the cars enter the desert turn, the reaction shot buried somewhere in last year's archive, the clip you know it exists but could never find again. What used to take hours of manual scrubbing now only takes seconds. And the best part? No cloud upload. Everything stays fully local on your own device. Your media already contains the moments you need. Clipto helps you find them instantly. Just download Clipto and try it yourself.